Whiplash.
Whiplash
Injury.
injury.
Whiplash injury.
Whiplash injury. Whiplash injury.
Yes, I was so close. Whiplash injury.
Whiplash.
No, whiplash
Whiplash
injury.
injury.
Yeah, whiplash injury.
Whiplash injury.
Perfect, yes. Tailbone injury.
Tailbone injury.
Tailbone
Tailbone
injury.
injury. Tailbone injury.
One more time.
Tailbone injury. Tailbone injury.
That's close. Tailbone.
Tailbone.
Ale.
Ale.
Tail.
Tail.
Bone.
Bone.
Tailbone.
Tailbone injury.
Oh, that was so close. Yeah, that was good. Tendonitis.
Tendonitis.
Yes, tendonitis.
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 Yeah. Stiff.
Stiff.
Yeah, stiff.
Stiff.
Yes. Numb.
Numb.
Yes, it's numb.
Numb.
Yes. Weak.
Weak.
Yeah, muscle is weak.
Muscle is weak.
Yes. Strain.
Strain.
Yeah, strain.
Strain.
Yes. Cramp.
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 Amp.
Amp.
Cramp.
Cramp. Cramp.
It's close to crimp, cramp. Imp, amp. Imp, crimp, cramp.
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 Crimp,
Cramp.
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 Yes!
Cramp.
Yes, cramp. That's
Cramp.
it. Yes. Okay. Spasm.
Spasm.
Yeah.
Spasm.
Yes, spasm. That was good. Paralysis.
Paralysis.
Raise.
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 Yes. Lift.
Lift.
Yeah.
Lift.
Perfect. Move.
Move.
Yeah, move.
Move.
Yes. Turn.
Turn.
Yeah, turn.
Turn.
So good. Bend.
Bend.
Yes, bend.
Bend.
Not spend. Bend.
Bend.
Yes. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up. Stand up.
One more time.
Stand up.
Yes.
Stand up.
Yeah, this one though, I want you better with this. Stand
Stand
up.
up.
Go ahead and stand up.
Stand up.
Yes.
Stand up.
Yeah, stand up.
Stand up.
Yes.
Stand up.
Stand.
Stand up.
Yes.
Stand up.
Yes, stand up. There it is. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave me a comment about any words in the video that were really hard for you or any words that you'd like to see in a future video. Have a fantastic week, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.